Hello everyone and welcome to eToro. Many of our clients have been asking us if they can transfer cryptocurrencies they've bought on eToro to a digital wallet. Today I will discuss ownership of cryptocurrencies on eToro. If you go to your portfolio, you will see all of the positions you currently have open for cryptocurrencies. If you have more than one position open for a certain cryptocurrency, click on it and you will see a list detailing all of your open positions. While eToro does offer real cryptocurrency trading, we will only be offering the option to transfer cryptocurrencies to a digital wallet later in 2018. Whenever you open a buy position for cryptocurrencies, eToro will purchase that amount for you. This means that while you still can't transfer the cryptocurrencies outside the platform, you are still the owner. If you wish to learn how to buy cryptos on eToro, please refer to our Opening a Position tutorial. In the near future, we will be launching the eToro Digital Wallet, which will enable you to transfer your cryptos out of the platform. Currently, we only enable buying cryptocurrencies as part of your online trading portfolio. That's it for now. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Be sure to follow the eToro blog and email updates so you'll know as soon as we launch our digital wallet. Happy trading!